I've been exploring Santander Bank for a while now, and in this video, I'm sharing my honest and unbiased review of Santander in 2025. We'll cover everything from account options to fees and customer service. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of whether Santander Bank is the right choice for you. Let's get started. Santander Bank is a well-established financial institution with a strong presence in the U.S., particularly in the Northeast. They offer a wide range of services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, personal loans, mortgages, and business banking solutions. One of the standout features is their Simply Right checking account, which is easy to maintain. The monthly fee is waived if you make just one transaction per month. For savers, they offer the Santander Savings Account, which helps you grow your funds, though the interest rates are modest compared to online banks. What's great is Santander's extensive network of branches and ATMs, providing convenience for customers who prefer in-person banking. Plus, their online and mobile banking platforms are user-friendly, allowing you to manage your accounts, pay bills, and deposit checks from anywhere. However, it's important to note that some users have raised concerns about customer service wait times and the competitiveness of their interest rates, especially compared to digital-first banks offering higher yields. Additionally, Santander runs frequent promotions for new accounts, which could give you a nice cash bonus when you sign up. Just make sure to check the latest offers and requirements. Overall, Santander Bank is a reliable choice if you value a traditional bank experience with a good blend of physical locations and digital tools. But if you're looking for the highest savings rates or the latest fintech features, you might want to compare a few other options before deciding. That's it for this video. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to support the channel, and of course, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.